Welcome, savvy investors, to the spice-filled world of McCormick Company. Today, we're dishing out the juiciest financial metrics that'll leave your taste buds tingling and your portfolios sizzling. So grab your popcorn, buckle up, and let's dive into the numbers. First up, we're seasoning our analysis with the price-to-earnings or PE ratio. McCormick Company's PE stands at a tantalizing 29.47 over the trailing 12 months, with an average of 25.40 over the last 5 years. Looking ahead, the forward PE clocks in at a savory 25.32, indicating an excellent growth prospect in the near future. But wait, there's more. The price-earnings to growth or PG ratio, standing at 4.40, hints at potential overvaluation when the growth prospect is introduced in the metric. It's like adding just the right amount of spice to a dish, not too much, not too little. Remember that a value around 1 is when a stock can be considered undervalued. Ever wondered who's stirring the pot behind the scenes? With insider ownership at 6.44%, it's clear that those in the know are confident in McCormick's recipe for success. These metrics are the secret sauce of profitability. With return of equity at 14.01%, return of assets at 5.42%, and return of invested capital at 10.14%, McCormick Company is cooking up some serious returns for its investors. Continuing with earnings, at $2.70 per share, EPS is like the main course of our financial feast. Looking ahead, the next 5 years promise a delicious growth rate of 6.7% annually. Picture this, a decade-long journey of positive earning per share and free cash flow per share growth, with compound annual growth rates of 5.34% and 10.9% respectively. It's a recipe for long-term success. For those hungry for income, McCormick serves up a delectable dividend yield of 2.17%, with a mouth-watering 8.63% dividend growth over the last decade. Additionally, McCormick Company is considered a dividend aristocrat with 37 consecutive years of dividend increases. Now let's talk about the margins, the operating margin at 15.47% and profit margin at 10.56%, indicating how efficiently MKC is turning its revenue into earnings. Now that's what we call profit perfection. While McCormick Company's revenue and earnings have been on a bit of a positive trend over the past 8 years, don't count them out just yet, since it has obtained a total return lower than the VOO during the last 5 years. With a debt-to-equity ratio of 0.85 and long-term debt-to-equity at 0.64, McCormick Company maintains a healthy balance between leverage and stability. With an average price return of 4.37% over the past year and a market cap of $18.77 billion, McCormick continues to season the market with its presence. But what does the crystal ball say? Analysts forecast a price of $72.12 in the next 12 months, hinting at a downside of 6.7%. Meanwhile, my spice-infused calculations suggest a fair value of $58.68, signaling a potential overvaluation. In conclusion, McCormick Company is a flavor powerhouse with a recipe for success. But remember, in the volatile world of investing, even the tastiest stocks can sometimes leave a bitter aftertaste. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial adventures. Until next time, happy investing!